Rangoli Designs, Part 1. Hello, little artist. It's Mr. Brush and Miss Christina. Today we're going to use Do a Dot. Okay, so I'm going to open these up, and I bet you can guess what shape it's going to make. This is the color teal. I'm going to twist off the cap, and I'm going to practice on my white practice paper here. Can you guess the shape? Oh, it's not working. Uh-oh. What should I do? Oh, I can squeeze very gently with my thumb and my fingers, and a little bit of ink will start to come out. The more I press, the better I get at it. You can see now it makes a much better dot. I squeezed too much ink at the beginning. Now I can practice making some lines, maybe a zigzag line, maybe loop-de-loop. Remember to control the amount of ink that comes out with your fingers or your hand. If you squeeze a little bit, you'll get some ink. If you squeeze too much, you might get too much ink. When you're done, make sure you put the lid back on. Then you can switch colors. There are many colors for you to choose from. Just remember, whenever you use Do a Dot, you have to take the lid off, give it a shake, and then you have to squeeze gently. Not too much, but just enough. All right, let's get to creating our art. Hello again, Mr. Brush. We're going to create our Rangoli design on our square piece of paper. I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to start with a dot. You can do a little dot, or you can make it a little bit bigger by gently filling it in. Next, I'm going to divide my paper into 4 parts. I'm going to draw a straight line up and down from the top all the way down to the bottom. Now I'm going to draw from side to side so that I have 4 equal parts. This will help me with my design. Now I'm going to choose a new color, and I'm going to draw in each of the 4 squares that I created. I am choosing a U shape, kind of like a flower petal, and I'm going to repeat that on each square. I'm going to fill this one in just a little bit to make it thicker. So I can draw it just by going to the next square. Remember my U or my petal, flower petal shape. Or you can turn or rotate the paper to help you get a better idea. Now those don't quite match, so I'm gonna just make this first one just a little bit bigger to match it. The cool thing about Rangoli is that you are drawing around the center point. Now I just need to do one more. See how I did my purple petal shape all the way around the middle circle? You want your artwork to be the same all the way around. Next, I'm going to add some orange dots. If I put an orange dot here on the top, I need to do one here, here, and here. Remember, it's the same all the way around. I'm going to put one inside, 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 and inside. I'm going to trace around my purple petal shape with pink. So I'm just tracing right around it. And I'm going to repeat that all the way around on all 4 sides. So that's 2. Here's 3. And then I only need to do one more. Remember, take your time and try your best to make it beautiful. Ooh, I kind of like how the pink is going over the purple there. So why don't I blend some of my colors? I can put some pink over this green, and it's kind of looking orange now. let's add some more color to my Rangoli design. Don't forget to shake your do-a-dot. Why don't we put some green inside? Ooh, I like how it looks next to this this yellow little dot. Almost like a eyeball. It looks like I'm going really fast, but that's just my video speeded up. Remember, I am taking my time so that I can do my best work. I'm going to add some more green in the middle here. And then I think I'm going to do another tracing around my petal shape. Remember, you are the artist, so you do not have to copy my design. You get to make up your own. All you have to remember is when you're making a Rangoli to start in the middle and to divide it into 4 squares. On this one, I'm adding triangles all the way around, dots, circles, shapes, and colors. So as long as you start with a circle and then 4 parts, you can really change your design however you want. I cannot wait to see what you create. Take your time, try your best, and have fun. For part 2, we will add sand and glitter. Ooh! Bye!